Hi students, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to access your Google Classroom account. All you need is your Google email and your password. If you're maybe freaking out that maybe you forgot your email or your password, do not worry. I sent every student's email account and password to your parents on Dojo so they have access to your email and password in case you forgot. So let's get started. So the first thing I want you to do is when you go on the internet, it doesn't matter if you're on your phone, an iPad, tablet, or computer. When you open the internet, I want you to go on clever.com. So you're going to type in on the browser clever.com and click and select or press enter. Once you go or type clever.com, you should see a page like this. On the top right hand corner, let me move my face, there you go. On the top right corner, you're going to see a blue button that says login as a student. I want you to click on that. Alright, you should see a page very similar to this. From here, I want you to click on this button with the G, log in with Google. Okay, once we are here, you're going to see a page very similar to this. What you won't see on your page are my emails because I'm on my computer and I've saved my emails to my computer. I have them easy access right here. So you won't see my emails on your computer. What I want you to do is select a button that's very similar to use another account or maybe log in with your account. So you're going to click that. Right here it's asking for your email or a phone. I want you to type in your email. For this video, I am using Jaden's email, so I'll be typing in Jaden's email on here. Hope you don't mind, Jaden. And the reason for that is because a student's login will look different than a teacher login. So I wanted to show a student's login so we don't get confused. So I hope you're okay with that, Jaden. I want you to enter your email. And don't forget to put at rialtousd.org. You're going to click on the button that says next. Okay, once you enter your password, make sure with your password you type it exactly the way I sent it on Class Dojo. It should be your first name with the first letter of your name capitalized, and after you write your first name, it should be the first letter of your last name. And the first letter of your last name has to be capitalized. If you don't, it's going to say error, wrong password, and so you want to make sure you do it right the first time or correctly because you don't want to get logged out of your account. So make sure you copy it exactly the way I sent it to your parents on Class Dojo. 0810. So it's your first name with the first letter of your name capitalized, the first letter of your last name capitalized, and then your birth date right after. So if I did it correctly, it should work. So after you're done, click on next. All right, it is loading. That means we're in. That means I typed in my email and password correctly. You should see your page very similar to this. I want you to click on the duck. That's my teacher page. So click on that. From there, you're going to go on, you should see where it says distance learning tools. Click on Gmail sign in. Okay. It's loading. Hopefully your computer doesn't take as long. I need to charge my computer, so it's probably why it's taking a little bit longer. So bear with me, practice patience. Let's see. Okay. It's taking a little bit too long. I'm going to give it a few more seconds and then I might exit out of the browser. Okay. So back to here. We're on Clever. Gmail sign in. Let's see if it works the second time. Okay, it is not working. I'm going to pause the video and see if I could fix the problem. Give me 1 second. Okay, I am back. I'm charging my computer. That seemed to be the issue. So on Clever, once you're on my teacher page, click on Gmail sign in. It's loading, it's working. Yes, okay. Let's see. Alrighty, perfect. So your email could look a little bit different. Some of you might have more messages than Jaden's, and that's okay. What I want you to click on, let me move this over here. What I want you to click on is an email from me. You should see my name here, and it should say class invitation, Miss Rodarte. Click on that email, and it should say Google Classroom, and you should select on the blue button that says join. Click on that. And you're in. You have now joined my Google Classroom. This is where you'll be receiving updates on what to do for activities. You can even share something with your class. So whatever you type in here, let's say you want to type in, hi everyone, miss you all. Whatever messages, maybe you have questions for me, you can use, this is where you'll write your questions or comments and you click on post, and everyone in the classroom will get to see them. Make sure you're being very responsible with that. And also, yeah, just make sure you're being very responsible with that. Make sure you're using proper grammar, capitalization. The first letter of your sentence should always be capital, even when you're typing, and it should be periods at the end of your sentences. Yeah, so that's all I wanted you to do right now is to join my Google Classroom. Just to a quick refresher, because we went through a lot of steps, you're going to go on clever.com. Once you click on clever.com, you're going to log in as a student. From there, you're going to put in your, so you're going to log in as a student. From there, you're going to put your email and your password, making sure you're very careful that you're typing it correctly. From there, you should see your teacher page. You're going to click on the one that says D. Rodarte's page, so that's mine. Click on Gmail sign in. Click on, it's loading, gotta be patient. Click on the email from me saying Miss Rodarte, and click on the blue button that says join. And then you are all in. Very quick, very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Dojo. I'm here to help. But yeah, that's all I wanted you guys to do is to log on to our Google Classroom page. You know, if you need to watch this video again, feel free to watch this video again. It was a lot of steps, but I hope it was helpful. And that's all I have for you today. Yeah, so be safe, be healthy, and don't forget to always wash your hands. Really quickly, what I do want to add though, before I forget, on your top right, it should say the first letter of your name. If you're not using your computer, let's say maybe you're using a friend's computer or tablet or phone, make sure you always sign out. We want to practice good, safe practices online. And the reason why we want to sign out is because if you don't sign out, someone might have access to your email. And sometimes your email has important information. So make sure if you click on the top right button, you sign out. If you're using your parents' computer, phone, or if you have your own computer, you don't need to sign out. I often don't sign out on my personal computer because I like being logged in and just clicking on my name, and I don't have to enter my password every time. But if you aren't using your own personal computer or your parents' computer, then you do want to sign out. Right? That is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video and hope it was helpful.